Hello guys! For this video, I am going to teach you how to create a gamified PowerPoint presentation using the trigger function in animation. With the trigger function, when you click an object in the slide while you are presenting, it will trigger the animation of an object that you programmed to go with it. For this one, I drew inspiration from the game show Wheel of Fortune, though less the wheel. So we are going to play with the board puzzle that we want the students to solve. Let's have this slide in this configuration. I already prepared this one before we start. There are 4 elements in the slide. A category bar at the very top, the board itself where we are going to put the puzzle. Take note, the board must be grouped. We also have covers for each letter in the puzzle, and then the slide keyboard and the reveal button. You can design this part any way you want as long as each element is present. So let's start putting triggered animations with the slide keyboard. In this part, we are going to put a darken effect on each button in the slide keyboard when each button is clicked. We put this animation so that the letter will not be selected again once it has been selected already during the gameplay. So let's start with Q. Let's select Q, then go to Animations. From the list of animations, let's select Darken. Let's select Animation Pane. Then let's select the recent animation that we have made. Let's click the downward triangle, select Timing, select Triggers, select Start Effect on the click off, and then let's find letter Q. Then click OK. For this animation to manifest in every letter of the slide keyboard, just repeat this process for each item. Fast forward. Now that we are done putting animation for each of the letter in the slide keyboard, let's put animation with a cover for each letter in the puzzle. The goal in putting animation in this part is that when we click the letter in the slide keyboard, the corresponding letters in the puzzle will be revealed. Since this one is cover letter for letter E, let's select it, go to Animations. From the list of animations, let's click Fade. Now, let's select the animation that we have just made. Select Timing, select Triggers, select Start Effect on click off. Then let's find letter E. Click it and click OK. Now, back on the animation pane, let's select the same animation that we have just edited. Click the downward triangle and select Start with Previous. Afterwards, repeat the process for all of the covers of each letter in the puzzle. Fast forward. When the animation for each cover is already done, let's select all of them. Go to Animations, select Add Animations, select Fade, go to the animation pane, right-click over the group of animations that we have just made while all of them are still highlighted, then click Timing. Select Trigger, select Start Effect on the click off, then let's find Reveal. When we find it, let's click it and click OK. Now, the covers for each letter will fade when you either click the corresponding letter in the slide keyboard or reveal the button. Now, let's try to play the game. Let's say that a student said I, so let's click I. Then a student said A. Then a student said F. So there's no F in the puzzle, so it will just darken. Then another student selected E. Then another student selected M. Then another student, let's say, selected L. Then a student guessed that the answer is Emilio Aguinaldo. So now we click the reveal button, and there it goes. The trigger function can be used in any possible gamification PowerPoint that you can think of. This is a bit time-consuming, but I'm sure that it will be worth it. PowerPoint is not only for plainly presenting the content of our lesson, but can be also used in motivating our students through gamification. I hope that you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Thank you and see you next time.